Hi. At ito na nga yung 450NK ng CF Moto. Makikita nyo, ibang-iba. So the bike is very, very simple to look at. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-design. Okay? So yung ating dual tip exhaust, ayan, and then yung our tires. And 400NK na sobrang laki. Kasi because of its weight. And one thing na in-upgrade nila is the headlights. So we got here projector headlights. Ayan. 450NK. Number, madali. So, alam naman natin, pag sinabing CF Moto, it's very affordable. Talaga is yung affordability.